Hi, this is the last step of getting a quotation. It's been quite a few videos, probably took a while to go through them and see them all. Unfortunately, there is a lot to cover, especially even for professionals to explain as well as anybody else with the little knowledge in the cabinetry. But hopefully it worked out for all the parties. So we've got everything done. We've got the edging, we've got the materials, hinges, finishes, etc. Now we just need to find out the price. Press get quote online. It's going to do its calculations and then the prices show up. Right, so now how do we see what costed what? We've got general summary tab, which shows board and cut time, which is X amount of money, edging and edge banding, X amount of money, spray finishes, total X amount of money, drilling, machining. Drilling machining comes under hinges because we had to drill some holes. Now we can go through each area separately with the cost breakdown. So if we go to board summary, you can see the pattern, how the boards are being cut, where plain color is the actual part and the shaded area is the offcut, the waste, which you can select to keep or realistically goes in the bin. Right, so what do we have? One board of birch plywood, X amount, crown cut oak veneered. We have two different sizes based on the cutting to make sure that it comes out as good as it can be. Light gray, MDF moisture resistant, cutting time total £62.51. So this is a breakdown of all your parts and it shows you a preview, how much room you have, etc. If you add any extra parts using same materials, then these parts will be incorporated into the same cutting list if they can fit. If they cannot fit, then unfortunately additional sheet will be brought in. Edging summary, again, MDF melamine edging. We've got 18 meters in total. Oak veneer edging 0.5 millimeter. We have 2.63 meters because we had only one part. Light gray 1 millimeter standard MFC. 8 meters light gray U708 2 millimeters, which we have been using for a 36 millimeter boards. Again, 8 meters 30. MDF melamine edging tape. We have been using this for Russian birch plywood. Again, it comes out as a breakdown with every individual item. Spray finish, manufacturer other, clear lacquer. We have 4.5 square meters at £37.50. Other satin. I can't remember what that was. Oh, that was where client is to specify the color. So we have cost per square meter because it was a spray paint. Farron ball all white, £75 a square meter, Farron ball. So the total spraying for this particular project is £471.85. It will be plus VAT at the end. Machining, we had 3 hinges that we were drilling. Our number of hinges 12. We had 3 but 4 number parts, so 4 times 3, 12. £2.50 per hole, £30 total. That's it. Part summary, which will give you all the parts and it shows which edges are being edged and materials, quantities, descriptions, sizes, weight of all parts combined. So the total project here is nearly 290 kilograms, which is quite heavy. Yeah, so back to general summary. If you don't want to go through every single one of these tabs to check the boards, we have this button here, board cutting preview, where again the patterns are being shown. And if we play around quickly, let's say crown cut oak veneer, we've got a lot of it left. Let's add one row quickly. 19 millimeter crown cut oak veneer. That's it. Let's say that's going to be, what size sheet he was using? 3 meters. 3 meters, and we had 600. So we can go about 2.4 meters long. So let's say 2400 by 600, and maybe these will be 2 doors. I'm not going to do the edging or hinges or finishing, because now you know how to do it. So it's just a matter of me to show you how these 2 doors should appear within this board. Press get quote again. Any changes you make to register the changes need to press get quote online again, and once everything is recalculated, then the costs are true. Let's check the preview. There we go. We've got 2 doors and 1 small part which we had before. That's it. This concludes the MDF cut to size options, going through various steps and allowing you to produce any project that you might have in mind. Thank you.